In the soft glow of a rising sun, two gentle souls begin their quiet journey. Footsteps whispering along empty roads as the world slowly awakens around them. Warm light brushing the hills, the trees, the silent towns, and the moving trains they pass. Every breath calm, every moment unhurried. Backpacks resting lightly on their shoulders as they walk side by side through golden fields. Peaceful streets, silent mountains, glowing cities, and endless oceans. Sharing silent smiles, quiet thoughts, and simple food beneath warm streetlights. The wind softly touching their hair. The waves breathing against the shore. And the night wrapping them in calm stillness, until once more they walk forward together, down a long open road. Hearts light, minds peaceful. The world wide, the journey endless, and every step a gentle whisper of freedom. Calm and wonder, as if the earth itself is breathing with them in perfect, soothing harmony.